Hey, I'm just gonna say hey guys and ladies. Hey guys and girls. Hey girls and guys. Hey guys and girls. I'm just gonna say hi guys.
Go ahead.
Hey Swahili learners. Today we're gonna teach you the days of the week in Swahili. So Monday is Jumatatu. Jumatatu. Tuesday is Jumane. Jumane. Wednesday is Jumatano. Jumatano. Thursday is Alhamisi. Alhamisi. Friday is Ijuma. Ijuma. Saturday is Jumamosi. Jumamosi. Sunday is Jumapili. Jumapili. And those are all the days of the week.
Siku za wiki.
Siku's a wiki.
Again?
These are the sikus of. What did it say?
Siku za wiki.
This is Ziku za wiki.
Good job.
We're going on a boat.
We're going on a boat? You're excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my first time I've ever been on a boat.
This is our first time on the boat.